Probably has changed my life a little bit because it opened a lot of doors that I think I never thought I would go into. So like dental assisting was something that helped me, like a path, because I want to keep moving up in the field. So starting as a dental assistant is a good opportunity.
Right. Do you feel the program has made some type of meaning in your life?
No, yeah, because like in high school, I was kind of like confused on what I wanted to do, and then I started researching a bunch, and I came across this program, and then I read everything, and I read all the reviews, and everything was good feedback and everything. So,
Perfect.
yeah, definitely.
Would you recommend the program to them, or can you just tell them something that would actually enlighten them on their choice?
I was a little scared about coming into this program because I thought like 12 weeks was so much, and I was like, how much can I learn, But it's like they make it easy. Like all our teachers like made it easy. It was wonderful. It was a good experience. So I would recommend it.